guys, Naturally Marked here. Today I'm going to show you an oldie but goodie is how to do a banana and avocado hair treatment mask. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to take this frizzy dry mess into a nice juiciness, then just keep watching. Okay, so once again what you're going to need is a blender. This is a very ripe banana and 2 very ripe avocados and aloe vera juice. So first I'm going to open up my blender. I had this banana in the freezer and the avocados in the freezer. That's one way you can preserve this. If you don't want to buy fresh fruit, it's better that it's more ripe. So I'm going to just cut the top off of it. Like so. And because it's so ripe, I can literally just take my cup and just kind of squeeze it out in there. Very disgusting looking. Yep, that was disgusting. I'm just gonna squeeze the juices and stuff in there because that's what you need and want in your life. Is the juice. So I'm gonna just squeeze this in here. I'm gonna squeeze one at a time. I'm not gonna squeeze it. I don't think that's gonna do right. Y'all, I have not did an avocado and banana mask in years. Very impossible for me to do it, but this is my first time doing a banana hair mask since I've had my home. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. I'll be right back. Oh, good old guy. That is in there. And now I'm going to just fill it up a little bit with some aloe juice. Just a little. And then I'm going to put some olive oil in there. I forgot to tell you about the olive oil. So there's some olive oil that I've infused with a couple things. I'm going to put a lot of olive oil in there actually. Thinking about it, that was probably like a half a cup of olive oil, half a cup avocado. Half a cup of aloe juice. Aloe juice. So we're gonna pop this sucker on just like this. Pop it, baby. Turn it on and post it. Oh, post don't work. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna shake it to help some of these chunks up here. Just kind of shake it because I want this to be creamy. Ooh, this looks like a smoothie. This is not coming down. Okay, I think it's gonna work now. Okay. One more time. Oh man, this is so creamy, y'all. This is so creamy. I don't even think I need to strain it. Oh my gosh, what if I don't strain it and then there's like little crap in my hair? But this is so creamy. Like, look at that. Y'all, I'm gonna just put this right to my hair. I'm not gonna strain it. Look, that literally just melted away. Oh my gosh, am I gonna regret this crap? I'm gonna see it in my hair. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen, because normally I strain it. But just seeing the creamy, just the creaminess that's going on here, I just don't even know what to do about that. I just don't know what to do about it. Let's go. Okie dokie, got that blended, and I'm going to take my twist out of my head just really quickly. This is the nice thing about not borrowing hair from the other side, because you can just hold one strand of the twist and then boom, it's unraveled just like that. I need to get back to these things that I used to do to my hair so I can get my length back. Just Judy's back on. Okay, so all the twists are out of my head. So what I am going to do is, y'all, this is not looking bad. Or maybe it's just the camera. I think it just might be the camera. Let me stop feeling this ugly, dry looking twist out right now. So I am going to put this top part in a bun. This part, I'm gonna flip this around here. I got my creamy yummy goodness right here. Goodness. I have aloe in here, which that's empty. I need to get some more. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray this section like so, just to kind of moisten it just a little bit, because you guys know I like to do my mask on dry hair, but I just want to moisten it just a smidgy poo. And then I'm gonna put the cream right on the top of it, but I'm just turn Just Judy back on. So I am going to just apply this banana and avocado mask all over my hair, and I'm going to seal it with some olive oil on the top of my mask, my hair mask, after I get done applying the avocados and bananas to my entire head. I will put a plastic cap on my head and sleep with this overnight, but I like to just twist it to keep it organized and to make sure that I don't get extra tangles with just putting this mask on my hair and then sleeping with it. This time I actually apply this hair mask to my scalp a little bit, like, because I do a finger massage. So this did not leave any type of little bits, avocado or banana bits in my hair. Like how smooth and creamy this avocado and banana hair mask is, I will absolutely have to give 100% credit to the banana and avocados being so ripe. So what I did was left the bananas and avocados out on the counter until they got really brown looking, and then I put them in the freezer until I was ready to use them. I just have my hair rag on. I got 2 plastic bags on. I put my hair in a bun and I put this hat on to give myself a nice warm deep conditioning situation. I think I'm going to sleep with this overnight, and then I'll come back to you guys in the morning with it rinsed out. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next morning and I just wanted to show you guys how I slept with my hair. I just put this around my edges to kind of trap the grease, and this is the hat I had on my head to keep the heat in. This is a hair rag you guys have probably never seen because I don't wear it too often, but you see how all the oil was trapped. Like, this is not oiled, but all of this is. So you can see the difference in the color. Then I have on 2 plastic caps with some oil in the bottom of there. And then because I didn't get to show you guys what it looked like down, I'm going to show you what it looks like down really quick. So this is what it looks like with the stuff in it. It's early out, so I can't talk right now. You know what stuff I'm talking about. Bananas and avocados. So this is what it looked like. And it actually went in quite nicely. Like, and I put this one to my scalp, because I know the last one I didn't put to my scalp. But this one I didn't like just cake it on my scalp. But the way that I'm kind of giving myself a finger massage is the same way I kind of applied it. And I applied a lot of oil after I got the solution mixed in my hair. I just kind of put oil on the top of my hair like this. So now I'm gonna just go over to the sink and pray to God that this crap is not clumps in my hair. So I am using vinegar, just white distilled vinegar, half and half, warm water and half vinegar, and I just have a conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice, but I just rinse this out with very warm water. You guys, this mask rinsed out of my hair with no problem, and I honestly have to give 100% credit to the bananas and avocados being so ripe. The last time I did this hair mask, the bananas and avocados were not ripe, and I think that's why there's so much stuff that can get left in your hair when it's not basically liquid. As you guys seen, the banana was pretty much liquid when I put it in the blender, in the cup. So I am just going to put a lot of conditioner in my hair because my hair sucks up a lot of conditioner. and I am going to see if I can fix that problem so I don't have to use as much product. But stay tuned for that video. I have figured out a solution so that I don't have to use so much product. I'm testing something out. So stay tuned for that video. But I am going to rinse my hair with very warm water. I'm also going to be doing a little finger detangling and applying the conditioner back to my hair to kind of get some more of my hair strands clean from the hair mask. And then I'm going to finish it up with the distilled vinegar rinse just to clarify my hair. I'm going to put oil back on the top of my hair and then style it. This video do have an end result, and I will explain to you guys my end result in another video I have made, but you guys will see an end result to this video. So just keep watching. Hope you enjoy, and I hope you try this mask. I am so happy that I am getting back to doing oldie but goodies to my hair, because my hair truly needs this love and this spa nourishment type of vibes to my hair, because my hair has not been happy for the last couple of years. So here you're really just seeing me put more conditioner on my hair and more olive oil on my hair just to make it softer, to put more moisture in my hair. I'm twisting it up. I will put a plastic bag on my hair and rinse it out. I do not show you guys me putting the plastic bag back on my head, but you kind of get the point of what I'm doing here. And you guys, also, if you don't have a lot of money to go out and spend a grip of money on hair products, this is a very simple, cheap, and easy way that you can do like a spa day at home. Is making your own hair mask. You can even make your own conditioners, and this is just an easy way that I like to do my hair without having to go to the store and buy a conditioner. As you can see, I only used one store-bought product, which is conditioner, but the hair mask, the clarifying, the oils, like all of this stuff is really cheap, and it's really easy for you to get your hands on. So if you just want to treat yourself one day and just treat your hair pretty much, then just follow this routine and you will be in heaven. Like, my hair was so soft after I got done applying this banana and avocado mask on my hair and clarifying my hair with the with the distilled vinegar. Sometimes I go back and forth, apple cider vinegar or distilled vinegar, but my hair love this so much. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the end result. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.